back to CARSJADE, where our car breakdowns are casual but packed with insight. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Volkswagen Multivan eHybrid 4Motion, Volkswagen's first plug-in hybrid variant offering all-wheel drive, a modern twist on the classic van. The 2026 Multivan eHybrid 4Motion isn't just a van with electrics. It's a performance and family-ready MPV that combines EV commuting with long-distance flexibility. With electric AWD and thoughtful interior design, it offers seamless transitions between electric and petrol drive, while still being spacious enough for 7 with configurable seating. Volkswagen hasn't strayed far from the familiar multivan silhouette, but the PHEV brings subtle updates. A refined mesh grille, flush charging flap, and discreet badging. LED headlights, sleek body contours, and optional two-tone color schemes give it both utility and fresh presence, without shouting electric. The cabin remains modular and family-focused. 7 seats as standard, second-row seats mount on rails so they're easy to remove or slide, and load space stretches up to 1,844 L with seats folded in AWD models. Volkswagen's digital cockpit and touchscreen infotainment blend into a twin-screen layout. Sliding doors, fold-out tables, and optional glass roofs elevate daily usability. Adaptive cruise, 360 camera, and ambient lighting add polish. Multivan's eHybrid 4Motion system blends a 1.5-liter TSI Evo 2 turbocharged petrol engine with 2 electric motors. Front motor 85 kilowatts and rear motor 100 kilowatts, with a 19.7 kWh battery. Combined output is around 180 kilowatts, with up to 95 kilometers of all-electric range and DC fast charging capability up to 50 kilowatts, charging 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Driving modes let you toggle between Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Individual. Eco and Comfort reserve rear motor use until needed, while Sport engages AWD up to high speeds. Above about 130 kilometers per hour, the rear motor decouples automatically to save energy. The system can even power the rear wheels electrically when the battery is empty by using the petrol engine as a generator. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes about 9.0 seconds, and Volkswagen claims ultra-efficient usage when charged, around 353 miles per gallon equivalent under WLTP metrics. The eHybrid 4Motion variants debuted mid-2025 and are now available to order in Europe, the UK, and select global markets. Prices start at £54,525 for the standard wheelbase life trim, while Style LWB models can top £65,000 with additional tech and comfort upgrades. Volkswagen Australia has confirmed the PHEV Multivan will arrive locally in early 2026. Volkswagen's 2026 Multivan eHybrid 4Motion brings flexibility, comfort, and EV convenience to MPV life. With AWD, long electric range, configurable space, and modern tech, it meets the needs of families, road trippers, and professional users alike. It's the multivan with serious PHEV ambition and slick execution. And that's our relaxed walkthrough of the 2026 Volkswagen Multivan eHybrid 4Motion. If you're into spacious hybrid vans with real EV range and AWD traction, this one deserves a spot on your radar. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE. Would you pick the standard or long wheelbase version? Or go all in? Let us know in the comments below. See you next ride.